Samsung today has announced the Galaxy Z Fold 3 on their Unpacked event. Basically, this device is going to be coming with new innovation and a new kind of specification inside, which definitely makes this device as one of the best foldable device ever made. So guys, in this video, we are going to discuss about what are the top 5 reasons to buy the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. So basically the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is going to be the next iteration of Samsung foldable devices, and particularly the Z lineup is coming with a new form factor, and it's going to be like a book type. It's going to be like a tablet replacement. The number one choice for buying the foldable device is obviously going to be the S Pen support. This is the one form factor which many of the Note fans were be hoping for, to have the foldable device which is coming with the S Pen support. Obviously we don't have the Note device this time around, so this is going to be the best option for all those Note fans who wanted to have a Note device, but Samsung has provided you the Z Fold 3 with an S Pen support, so this is definitely going to be a great option to have. It not only provides you a larger screen where you can write, and also you are going to see a new S Pen support specially designed for foldable devices. And specifically if you talk about the S Pen tip, it's going to be coming with a softer material through which you can utilize and write notes, and to use the A gesture as well, although the S Pen is not coming with any kind of battery capacity inside. So the number second reason which I honestly think which make the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 as one of the great choice for buying is the pricing. Last year we have seen the Galaxy Z Fold 2 was coming with a price tag of $2,000, so it was pretty much high for a foldable device, and now we have the lower pricing. At least $200 price tag has been lower for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. And along with that, if you pre-order the device, you will also have some other discount as well, so you have a chance to buy the Galaxy Z Fold 3 even cheaper price. So guys, the number third reason which I honestly think will make the Galaxy Z Fold 3 as the best foldable choice for you is going to be the water resistance. This year Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be coming with an IPX8 rating, which means we have the water resistant rating for that particular device. Honestly, this is going to be a great feature to have, just because the fact that you can carry out your Galaxy Z Fold 3 device with you on the beaches or even in the pool, so you can use that particular device. Number 4 feature is going to be the under display camera. This is definitely going to be a camera sensor that most of the people were waiting for, although we have seen that 4 megapixel camera sensor is present on the front side. So definitely the under display camera technology is going to be great option to have. We will have almost bezel-less screen on the inner display, so you can carry out your task quite easily without having any distraction of the cameras. Number 5 reason which I think is going to be the armor display, and also the overall build quality and the ultra thin gloss technology that has been introduced. This is basically going to be a great feature to have, just because the fact that all these things make the Galaxy Z Fold 3 as one of the most durable foldable devices that has been ever produced. So guys, these are the 5 reasons which I honestly think that are going to be the reasons for most of the people who will buy the Z Fold 3. Anyhow, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.